Recall of a gun is one of the application of third law of motion. So according to the what? Newton's third law of motion, that when a bullet is released from the what? From the gun, the opposite reaction of the what? Of the bullet from the gun is known as what? A recoil of the what? Of the gun. So an linear momentum, or the momentum of what? Of bullet, what? Momentum of what? Bullet is equal to what? mu. Why what? Momentum of what? Of recoil. What? Recoil is what? mv. From law of conservation of linear momentum, total momentum before collision, total momentum after collision, you can have it in this form, that what? M what? U is equal to the what? mv. V is the mass of the bullet, speed of the bullet, mass of the gun, and the speed of the what? Recoil of the what? Of the gun. So that's all about what? Recoil of what? Of gun. And the next thing that we need to check now is what? Is elevator. Is what? Elevator. Or we can also call it what? Lift. Lift is a what? Is a device operated electrically, which is used to carry people or to move people or load up and down in a tall building. And a man that stand inside the what? Elevator, a man that is what? Stand inside the what? Elevator, we experience two things. We experience what? Two what? Two things. Assume this is what? An elevator, and the elevator is attached here, and here we have spring of elevator. So if you now have what? A man that stand inside the elevator, like this is a man, it experience two reactions. A man that is inside the elevator, it was two reactions. What's the first reaction? His own weight. The weight of the man is what? Is acting where? The man weight is acting downward, which is what? Mg. And the floor of what? Elevator also have its own reaction, and the reaction we can put it on what? On a string here, which is what? T, or what? Reaction. Or let me call it what? Reaction. So, or this reaction can be found it here, or what? Here, on this place. So this is what? Elevators. And the elevators is about like three cases. When the elevator is what? Is at rest, what will be the what? The relationship between what? The reaction and the weight and weight is moving upward. What will be the what? The relationship. When elevator is moving downward, what will be the relationship? Let us look at what? The three cases of what? Of elevators. The case one, when a lift is stationary, which is what? At rest, or moving with a constant velocity. That is, for that one, it's almost the same thing with what we have up there. The lift is what? Is stationary. It simply means what? It is not what? It is not move. And the person we have inside the lift is this. The weight of that person is acting what? Downwards. M what? Mg. And the reaction we have here is R. The action is what? Is R. And the R here is also what? The reaction is what? Is R. Yes. You are now asked to what the relationship between them. Since the body is at rest, you can have what? Therefore, for that case, the reaction is equal to the what? The weight, and the weight is what? M what? Mg. For a lift to be at what? At rest. For the second case, the second what? Case. When what? Case 2. When the lift is accelerating upward. 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 Here's what? So when the lift is what? Is moving what? Upward. What will happen to what? Relationship. So when the lift is moving upward, we have a lift in this form. And this is what? The man in the what? In the lift. And the weight of the man is acting where? Downward. Weight is acting downward, which is what? M what? Mg. And the reaction of the floor of the string is acting what? Upward. But note that what they said the lift is what? Is moving up. So our acceleration, it should be what? A is moving up. So when the lift is moving up, the net force here, the net force will be equal to, is moving up, the reaction is greater than what? Than weight. You now have what? And this force is ma, acceleration. The r minus what? This way is what? M what? Mg. By collecting the last times, what we have? Ma plus what? Mg equal to the r, and the r equal to the what? M into bracket a plus what? Plus g. So this is what? The formula for reaction when the lift is what? Is moving up. But the next case we have here is case 2, 3 is what? When the what? The lift is moving downwards. It's moving what? Downward. So we have the lift in this form. We have it like this. And the man inside the lift is this. We have what? The weight is acting what? Downward as mg. The tension of the lift is R, but the acceleration of the lift is what? Is moving downward, which is A. The net force will be, this weight is greater than this time around. We now have what? Weight minus R. This one is what? M what? Mg is Ma, this A. Weight is what? Mg minus R. By rearranging, we have R should be what? Mg plus Ma minus Ma. You now have what? R should be M equal to the what? G minus A. That is the what? The answer for the upward or for downward lift. This one for the upward, that one for the stationary.